So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to give your voiceover a life using Elevenlabs and how to enhance it. So firstly, all you have to do is go to the Elevenlabs website and sign in to your account. Once inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, from the left menu, click Text-to-Speech. This is where you turn scripts into voiceovers. Now, on the right side panel, select a voice from your voice library. You can test different voices depending on tone and style. Now, copy your voiceover script, then paste it into the text box. Make sure your text is clean and structured for natural speech flow. Now, look for the Enhance button. Enables features like natural pauses, whisper in tone, emotion control, and emphasis on words. These settings make the voice sound more realistic and cinematic. Now just hit Generate or Create Speech. Elevenlabs will process your script and apply enhancements automatically. Now all you have to do when it's done, preview your voiceover. If needed, adjust pacing, pauses, or tone, then regenerate until it sounds about right. Some of the tips before we wrap up is, for the most natural results, add commas and full stops in your script for better pauses. Break long sentences into shorter ones and use emphasis features only where needed. Don't overuse them. This makes your voiceover sound more human, expressive, and professional, and now you can use it on your content generation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.